So we're really fortunate to have Synn here. We missed you the last
You don't have to
time.
read the bio. Just say
Okay.
he's a good guy.
We all know him.
Synn the Great.
Sensational Synn
What
Yes.
What if I want
Yeah.
to? This isn't on.
Sensational.
Oh. Is this on? I'm going to go over there.
From
Straight up,
Saratoga
okay.
Springs. That's real
There we go.
alliteration.
Okay, so the book is called Ping Pong, Parkinson's, and the Art of Staying in the Game. This amazing book will transport you on a wonderful journey through love, loss, and acceptance. You won't be able to put this book down as you are guided on a personal, heartfelt story of love, compassion, and encouragement in life's challenging moments, written in prose and sprinkled with beautiful poetry. Okay, Synn, come on up. Oh, and by the way, Synn wonderful and sensational.
Yes. And single.
agree.
And a great guy.
And a single and a singer too.
Oh,
And a
Kind of
singer.
semi. There.
Do you know how to put it back in there? No.
No, I did, and I caught myself.